Then came the real smartphones. I mean, each of these devices has more processing power than there was in all of Apollo 13 combined, and this gave a huge opportunity to enterprises. Now, according to IDC, US workforce is one of the most mobile workforces in the whole world. As of 2008, 72.2% of the whole US workforce was mobile. And that trend is only going to grow because by 2013, about 75.5% of the US workforce is going to be mobile. What does it mean? It gives huge opportunity to enterprises to make their workforce more enabled while they're on the road. Another interesting statistic is this is the latest statistics from this quarter by IPAS. I really like the research. Barbara was here this afternoon. In their survey, more than 95% of all enterprise mobile workforce in the US had a smartphone. And I'm guessing the remaining 5% are in either construction or some kind of an industry where they do not want to carry a cell phone, right? How many of you do not have a cell phone? Can you raise your hands, please? Right? All of us have a smartphone. So the bottom line is almost all the enterprise mobile users have a smartphone. But so that gives a great opportunity for enterprises because many of the enterprises are not only converting their back-end applications to mobile, but they're even converting their mission-critical applications to mobile. But what's the challenge? The challenge is most of these enterprise applications are humongous. I mean, they have so many features, so used by so many departments, so bulky, so complex, so many restrictions. And another challenge is every manager today wants to make their application mobile. So what are they doing? They're converting this to this, a bulky mobile application. And it's a big mistake because you do not want your mobile application to be bulky. You want it sleek. You want to enable your users to be able to access the features they need very quickly and efficiently. You don't want long startup times. You don't want long runways. So what they want is this. They want shorter startup times. They want shorter runways. Or they may not even want a runway. They might want this. They want to get up and running quickly and efficiently and access the features they want. So how do you handle it? Well, the main factors to consider are, number one, choosing the right features. And how do you do it? You'd be really surprised. You know, many of these enterprises, they use usage analytics on the client-facing applications as well as their websites very well. But you'd be surprised how few enterprises use these analytics tools in their enterprise applications. You need to know what features are being used by your users when they're on the road. And of course, ease of use. You want to make sure that there are some features that are better done on a laptop compared to a smartphone for various reasons, right? And of course, ROI analysis. Your return on investment needs to make sense. And that means total cost of ownership. It's not just building the application. It's even taking the application to the next level, having the right infrastructure, maintaining it, and having the right devices and being able to manage those devices. And last but not least, data evaluation. Not long ago, your boss would ask you for a report and you'd print them out and take the documents to the meeting. Now, then what you started doing, you started emailing PDF documents to your boss. And then you started sharing online documents. But now, because of all the variations of devices in cloud, you need to go very big on XML. You'd be really surprised how many enterprises still use CSV format and Excel format in their enterprise applications. And you can go for XML. JSON, of course, is leaner. It's up to you. But the bottom line is you need to make sure you make your users have the data they need anywhere, anytime, and on any device. So the key takeaways: do not build a cargo plane. And number two, go big on security, be on the cloud, be really strong on the cloud, and make sure you consider cross-device compatibility. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to take them.